Scan in bank. Have you ever seen one of these? It is called the barcode. In the next 60 seconds of this video, I am going to show you how you can start generating passive income from this barcode. This is only possible with an app called Scan in Bank. Thanks to a $23 trillion loophole that is legally exploited to get paid $5 every time a barcode is scanned. Scan in Bank is the world's first one-click app that pays you $5 to scan receipts on your phone. The best part of it is you don't have to lift a finger. It only takes 3 simple steps to get paid daily. 1. Click on the first link in the description of this video and download the app. 2. Activate the app, this only takes 9 seconds. This works on any phone or laptop. 3. Start earning with the app. All you need is just an internet connection and you are ready to go. Share, like and subscribe to this channel.